Hey guys, do me a favor, first watch this before I say any single word, then we will talk further. Before I say anything, I must clear this thing. I had made this channel just for health related video. Means I decided whatever health issue trick or remedy I know, I will share with this. The reason behind making this channel is helping you through whatever I know about health issue we can fix by home remedy. That's why I had decided to make this video. But as by seeing query of everyone that they are being so worried that how to buy so many costly gadgets just to edit their video, or just to put background, just to put light in background, or how to put light on video. So that's what I'm saying, means when I record my video, so as you saw, when I record my video, it's normal as you record with your phone. But when I edit, I don't use any hardware. I just use software which is available free in Play Store. So that's why I decided to make this video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you, means now I'm going to be showing you on your phone, on that application, that how I edit my video in free. You don't need to buy any costly gadgets just to make your make your video look professional. It's very cheap and you can do it with your phone with free application. You don't even need to pay for application which is costly, which is payable. I'm talking about free application which you can make your video look very professional from. So let's continue. Let's go to phone screen, and over there I will be telling you some tricks. The application I'm going to tell you, the application I always use. You might find it a little complicated, but I will say the more you will use it, the more you will know. So let's continue. From here I'm going to be showing you how to edit video in phone. So first you have to do, as you can see, this Rush application, RUSH. Just click on that. So the moment you click on that application, this surface comes on your phone. Just click here, create new project. You can go to video, and suppose I'm gonna pick this. So that is how it will look like when you will open. So now, as you can click over here to open so many frame. Now I'm just gonna show you how to put light in background. Like suppose just go to color, as you can see, color beside effect. Now that vintage amount, just put this 3. You can do more if you wanna put more dark. Now after doing this vintage amount by 3, then vintage feather by 33, or you can do as per your demand, as per your need. After then, just temperature. Then as you can see, now it seems blue. Then again go back to color, and now light your skin tone, that exposure or contrast, highlight, and as you can see, now it seems like there is a blue light in your background. You don't need to buy blue light or light. And I see so many complain, so many say that you need to put too much light just to make your video look professional. As you can see, you don't have to do anything, just increase the exposure. So that's how, just by playing in color option, you can make your video look very professional and very good. So that's all you need, and the more you will be doing, the more you will know. And once you have done it, after then, as you can see this share icon, just click on there, and quality. And if you see that video is not being saved, then I will say 1080
into 30. This 1080 into 30 frame, just save on that, and as you can see, is being saved. And the good thing is it has no watermark. Now you will talk about KineMaster, whatever application you will use, there will be watermark, and trust me, watermark looks so nasty, so dirty, you know, it's make you look like a kid. Okay, so don't ever edit your video from watermark and upload. Always use this application, because this application gives you no watermark and in free. Because I have used tons of dozen of other applications that ask for, you know, if you want to remove watermarks even from KineMaster or whatever, you will have to pay in that application. Without paying, you will have to manage with that big watermark of KineMaster, which makes you look stupid. Okay, which makes you look stupid. So always use this, because this application has no watermark and is very easy. And if you want me to, you know, if you have difficulties using this application, then tell me. I will make, you know, I will elaborate every single thing in detail how to use it.
I hope you have understood how to edit and try to understand. It's not need to, you know, it's not necessary that you will have to spend that much money. The way I shown you, you can do it, and you can make your video look very professional in very cheap, just with application which is free in Play Store. So thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe, and please don't forget to subscribe and share this with, and please don't forget to subscribe and share this channel with your share this video with your friend and families, and please subscribe.